It's Tarkir Dragonstorm, pack number 9. Ugin. This is the hunt for Ugin. Rarest card in the set. And god dang corner. Please, please, please let me find Ugin here. Sarkhan's Resolve. I think I just knocked one of my decks. Agent of Codis. Dragonback Lancer. I'm begging for anything. Jeskai Devotee. Dragon's Prey. Roamer's Routine. Gurmag Night Watch. There we go, now we're in focus. Jeskai Monument. Wall of War. We're getting a bunch of repeats. Disruptive Stormbrood. Spectral Denial. The Sib-Sig Ceremony. Legendary enchantment, though. That's pretty cool. And Hollow Mardu Monument. Oh my god. And the land is Dismal Backwater. And a bird. Monk. Token. No! Ugin.